Hey travelers, whether this is your very first trip or you've already filled a few passports, these 20 travel tips are going to make your adventure smoother, cheaper, safer, and honestly, way more fun. I've split them into 4 easy sections: before the trip, packing, on the road, and safety. Think of this as your ultimate travel toolkit. So grab your backpack, fasten your seatbelt, and let's dive right in. Section 1. Before the trip. Before you even step on the plane, a little preparation can set the tone for the entire journey. With just a few smart moves, you'll save money, avoid stress, and start your adventure with confidence. Here are 5 essential tips to get you ready. Tip 1. Use flight trackers. Flights can be sneaky. One day they're cheap, the next day they're sky high. Apps like Google Flights or Skyscanner let you watch prices like a hawk. Set an alert, and boom, you'll know the best time to book. Sometimes changing your travel dates by just one day can save you the price of a fancy dinner or 2. Tip 2. Book smart. Here's a secret. Flights are often cheapest midweek. Tuesdays and Wednesdays tend to be golden. And don't forget, booking well ahead for popular places, or grabbing last-minute deals for quieter ones, can be your ticket to serious savings. Tip 3. Download offline maps. Picture this. You're wandering tiny streets in Rome or hiking in Thailand, and suddenly, no signal. That's where offline maps save the day. Download them before you go, and you'll never feel lost. It's like having a local guide in your pocket. Tip 4. Keep digital copies of documents. Travel is amazing, until you misplace your passport. Do yourself a favor. Snap photos of your passport, visas, and insurance papers. Save them in your email or the cloud. If something goes wrong, those copies make fixing it a million times easier. Tip 5. Learn key local phrases. Even just, hello, thank you, or, where's the bathroom, in the local language can unlock smiles, help you connect, and maybe even get you better service. Locals love it when you try. It shows respect and curiosity. Once the planning is done, it's time for the part that every traveler either loves or hates: packing. But don't worry, these 5 tips will keep your bag organized, light, and ready for adventure. Tip 6. Use packing cubes. These little magic bags keep everything in order. Shirts in one cube, socks in another, toiletries in a third. Instead of exploding clothes all over your hotel room, you'll actually know where everything is. Bonus: unpacking is way faster too. Tip 7. Roll, don't fold clothes. Rolling your clothes saves space, keeps things tidy, and even reduces wrinkles. It's like origami for travelers. You'll be amazed how much more you can fit in your bag. Tip 8. Bring a reusable water bottle. Hydration is key, my friends. Carrying a reusable bottle means you'll always have water nearby, you'll save money, and you're doing the planet a favor by skipping all that plastic. Plus, many airports and cities now have free refill stations. Score! Tip 9. Pack a power bank and universal adapter. Your phone is your camera, your map, your translator, basically your lifeline. A portable charger keeps it alive during those long train rides or travel days. And a universal adapter? That's your golden ticket to plug in anywhere in the world. Tip 10. Carry a mini first aid kit. It doesn't need to be a full pharmacy, just the basics. Band-aids, painkillers, maybe some stomach medicine. Trust me, when you need it, you'll be so glad you packed it. Alright, you've landed, you're out exploring, and now the real fun begins. These 5 tips will help you travel like a pro, save money, and create memories you'll talk about forever. Tip 11. Avoid tourist traps. Here's a trick. Restaurants right next to famous attractions? Usually overpriced and kind of meh. Walk a few streets away, or better yet, ask a local where they eat. You'll find tastier food, friendlier service, and much better prices. Tip 12. Use public transport. Skip the expensive taxi. Jump on a bus, subway, or tram. It's cheaper, often faster, and you'll see real everyday life. There's something magical about riding a train full of locals, watching the city roll by. Tip 13. Carry both cash and cards. Some countries are almost cashless, while others are still all about bills and coins. Carry both, and keep small bills handy for snacks, street food, or tipping. It makes life way easier. Tip 14. Stay flexible with your itinerary. Planning is great, but the best travel moments are often unplanned, like stumbling across a local festival or meeting someone who invites you to their favorite hidden spot. Leave some space in your schedule for surprises. Tip 15. Back up your photos. Don't risk losing your memories. Use cloud storage or carry a little external drive. It's worth it. Your future self will thank you. Travel is exciting, but it's always better to be a little street smart. These final 5 tips will keep you safe, connected, and ready to enjoy every moment without worry. Tip 16. Use a money belt or split cash. Never keep all your cash and cards in one place. Spread it out, in a money belt, your bag, maybe even a hotel safe. If something happens, you won't lose everything. Tip 17. Share your location. Especially if you're traveling solo, send your live location to a friend or family member. It's quick, easy, and gives everyone peace of mind. Tip 18. Tip 18. Agree on prices beforehand. In many countries, taxis or tours don't use meters. Always ask the price before you hop in. It avoids awkward surprises, and sometimes bargaining is part of the culture, so don't be shy. Tip 19. Avoid expensive roaming fees. Instead of crazy roaming charges, grab a local SIM card or use an eSIM app. You'll get cheap data, stay connected, and still have money left for ice cream. Tip 20. Stay curious and open-minded. And finally, the golden rule of travel: be curious. Try that weird street food, chat with strangers, embrace the culture. The best memories come when you step out of your comfort zone and just go for it. So there you have it, 20 travel tips that can transform your next adventure. Which tip do you already use? And which one are you excited to try? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more travel inspiration, and start planning that next trip, because the world is waiting. Safe travels, and see you on the road.